Now that we have our file all ready to be cut here, the only thing we have left to do is export it to a file format that our CNC plasma cutter will like dealing with. So the format that we export it to, if we go to File, Save As, oops, not Save As, when we go File, Export, Export As, the two types of files that we can save it as are either a DXF or a DWG. I like doing a DXF because it's the first one in the list. So let's export it. I've selected the number of colors to be 8 just because we don't need to have a very big file size. And I'm going to select OK. And now my file has been exported. So the place that I exported it to, I can go and grab it, and I can copy that and put it on a USB stick so I could put it on the CNC plasma cutter. And that's all I need to do. I'm ready to cut.